Time to find the Bulbasaur. What's the best way to find the Bulbasaur? Find someone wearing a Bulbasaur t-shirt.
Was it Daniel?
What? Wait, dude, I'm a big fan, man. Thank you for commenting on my last YouTube video. Charizard. I'm not a fan of this card. I don't know why.
Really?
I don't know why.
The Milky Bags.
The Milky Bags. Hey, he knows. Oh, that is a nice card. Miracle Crystal reverse or the holo.
A lot cheaper than English.
Yeah. This is all vintage, huh? Mostly. Ooh.
Like yesterday I was like,
I like that Ray.
You want it?
Yeah. Ray, that's a nice card. This is kind of sick for insurance. Milky Bag insurance.
Geico.
I feel like this is undervalued. Out of Ultra Shiny.
Yeah, they are.
Out of a six. I ripped the CP6 box on stream last week. I pulled this.
Oh.
For someone.
Someone had a Pikachu 10. That thing goes for like
I have a
10K
Pikachu.
or something.
No.
2K.
You know, it goes for like 14, 1500. Cloud was selling his for like 1100, but it's a really nice card.
It is. I like the golden one.
The English one is 2K plus. The English version of Pikachu, the promo, it's like impossible to grade.
I know the other three are like.
They're not, yeah. The Charizard and the Venusaur and Blastoise, they're like 400 to 600 or something like that, or 700. The Pikachu's like 2K. It's like impossible to find. I wish these were 10s, bro.
I do too.
I'd buy them.
I have Venusaur and someone just bought it. Just by itself.
Did you grade these yourself?
No, I just got it trade.
Are you gonna give me a good deal? Or am I getting the civilian special?
Of course you're gonna get the civilian special.
Those comments had me rolling. I showed her the comments. She was like getting weird. I was like, it's okay, babe. It's not that serious.
Daniel, and then we're all doing deals, and then they were like, "Are you gonna give me the civilian price?" Or I was like, you're just a civilian. Get out of here.
Bro, I was so excited to post that video with you, and I just got murdered. But it makes sense because since you accepted the collaborator, because all your viewers saw it, and all your viewers fucking hate me, bro.
Extra content.
Yeah, they're like, oh, not this guy.
I did, remember? I used to ask, and I can't do the collab because they wouldn't let me remove it. Now you can remove it, tell me no.
From your profile grid, you mean? Yeah, I do that all the time. I actually add the Tyranitar. I'll be honest with you. Let's do total market 24, and then, okay, you said what, 22, 23? Let's just do 21, 22, and I'll call it. That's fair, because a lot of your stuff.
21, 22.
I'm gonna be honest with you. This is off $10. This is off like $25. And then if you add like the other 7-8 slabs, and take $5 each off market.
21 and 22.
Bro. Okay, you want me to comp every card right now?
Let me see these. 21, 22.
Yeah? Damn. The civilian special for Goated Pulls?
All right, guys. Another Goated Pulls deal. Glaceon VMAX PSA 10, Sylveon VMAX PSA 10, all my modern stuff. Charizard.
My camera's right there too. Make sure you look at my camera too.
Subscribe to the Bulbasaur. Ultra Shiny.
Comment, like, and subscribe, guys.
This is a Shiny Star V, Charizard V, Espeon GX, Rainbow, Clefairy, Cosmic, Promo, PSA 10. And this is really nice. Rayquaza, Full Art, Japanese 10.
Japanese exclusive texture.
Very shiny. Bandit Ring, Gyarados. Tyranitar V, All Starts. Shiny Rayquaza from Hidden Fates promo.
This card's a sleeper.
And then Bulbasaur. Tag Team All Stars 10. We're going to do a flippy flip 2100, 2200. It's going to be 2200 because I'm going to win. Let's go, baby.
I'm 0-3.
Yeah, I know.
I throw or you throw?
You
throw?
I'll throw. Don't you want it? You like calling, don't you?
Yeah, I do. Are you doing your coin? The rigged coin? The weighted coin?
The weighted. It's actually super dead.
The amount of comments I get, his coin was weighted.
Double side. So that's tails. That's heads. Or that's tails. That's heads.
The shield is tails.
Eagles is tails.
Okay, ready? Tails.
Goated Pulls.
I'm 0-4 now. Oh, man. Hello, sir.
How you doing, man?
How you doing, man?
What's happening?
He said to buy some shit off you.
I'm telling you.
So I guess I have to.
Yeah, you know how to, but you can if you like.
You look familiar. Have I done a deal with you?
We did a deal in Pasadena.
Okay.
Yeah, small deal. You took the Gengar and the Latios. Maybe not too small of a deal, but
I'm down. I like. Are you cool with the flip?
Yeah, flip's fine. Depends what the flip is.
Okay. I'm interested in Glaceon. What do I buy at?
Yeah, like percent wise.
Are you cool with like 82%?
I prefer 85, to be honest.
Good flip.
We could.
You take PayPal, FNF, friends of
No
family?
PayPal.
What do you want?
Venmo's
Zelle?
fine.
I don't have Venmo. I have Zelle or
Zelle
Cash
works.
App. Okay. Cool.
Zelle or cash?
Okay. I'm gonna take a decent amount. I wanted this.
Yeah.
Giratina, Blaziken,
Sure.
the Poncho, Charizard, Raichu tag team.
I'm cool with the Tina,
Okay.
the Charizard, and the Raichu. That works for me.
Okay. What about
Blaziken-
Blaze?
Let me see. Where am I at? Okay,
Flareon.
I'll just pull them out.
Cool.
Flareon.
Can I see the Pikachu? I might pay a little higher, just like at the end.
Yeah.
The ones I really want.
That's fine.
The Alt Charizard and the Blaziken and Giratina V-Star.
Oh, Blaziken I'm gonna hold on to, just because I'm kind of a little.
Look, we'll just think about the final. You don't have to say yes, just
Yeah,
final.
right.
And then the Mewtwo EX2, that
Yeah.
10. 600 plus 220, that's 820 so far. Market, 440, 435, 395,
I might be
350.
breaking even on the Zard, but whatever. We'll go
Okay.
with it.
These comps are all over the place. It ranges from 350 up to 440.
Which one? The Blaze?
Yeah.
Yeah, the Blaziken is a tough one.
You probably bought it when it was a little bit lower, huh? Or,
I got it
Or
just
higher?
on Friday.
okay.
Yeah, but I bought it from a friend and I owed him a favor, so I paid strong for it. I figured I'd trade it.
330, 310, 290 on this. What would you be at absolute bottom market?
I'd rather hold it. I'd rather hold that.
What if I did on these two like a separate compared to these?
Yeah, I mean, if we want to talk about it separately, we can.
So I'm at 1105 market here, right?
11, yeah, 11. I got 11, 11.10.
Okay. 11, 10.
So 85 is 943. Call it 945. 945, 1,000 for this?
I don't really want to go that high, to be honest.
Okay.
I would say this is 940. I think this is a very fair flip.
Yeah,
you could keep the whatchamacallit, the
Yeah,
slap
slap
mags
mags,
on
that's
these two, and I would do
Probably going to hold this one, to be honest. I'm going to hold this.
with these. I would do 16 or 17 flip.
What did you value these?
I said 90% on these.
You want 90? Okay. What were you valuing it?
I literally put
That's
320 and 420,
Okay.
but I put 90% on
That's
that.
fair. That's fair. We can do 90 here. That's fine. So we can do that separate though. So one.
So I'm at
11, 10,
I'm at
right?
940 here,
Yeah.
and then these I had at 660 at a value of 90%, so 1600.
You said 325 here.
Yeah, 320. There's like 290 sales.
That's fine. 320 is fine. But
So I'm at like what I would want to
740
pay you.
market, right?
What's up?
740 market here.
Yeah.
You're a sticker.
So I was offering you 660 on this.
That's fine. That's fine. We can do that.
So I'd pay you 1600 on these if you want to flip 50 bucks
Okay.
up or down.
I'm cool with the 660 separately, but this I'm down to flip. This is 940, right?
Yeah. So 940 plus
or-
660 is 1600.
60,
You want, we
1600.
could flip 1550, 1650, or we could flip 15 or 17, however much you want to flip it for.
1550 or what?
1550, 1650 if you want. Cool.
Hold that.
All right.
I got a coin.
You want to use your coin?
Yeah, we'll do
What
mine.
was your name again?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah, they call me Cheddar.
Hell yeah. All right, I'm with Daniel, Mr. Cheddar. We got Blaziken, Poncho. We got this cool Mewtwo EX, Charizard, Flareon, Raichu tag team, and a Giratina. Market is around 2K. We're gonna flip 1550, 1650.
1650, yep.
You throw, what kind of coin is that?
Lugia,
Lugia.
tails.
All right, Pokemon's tails.
Yeah.
Lugia's heads.
I might not have my cards from my childhood, but this I
Dude,
got my
I'm
lucky
0
one.
4 today on tails. Should I call tails again?
Whatever you want to do, man.
You want to throw it here or there?
All right, play here.
Right here? Should I go tails or heads? Tails? Can I go over 5? All right, throw it. I'm going tails. Ready?
Got it.
Let's go! Finally!
Appreciate it.
I appreciate you, man.
Yeah, man.
Thank you. Go to hit falls! 1 and 4.
You got me. Good shit, good shit.
1550. Look at that. Look at that Gengar row. Gengar Prime, LC Gengar, Reverse Skyridge Gengar, Gengar Web Series, Masaki Gengar, and Fire Red Leaf Green Gengar EX, all 10s. Oh, dude, I was like, I only know one man that has these Gengars. It was you?
What's up, man?
That's so funny.
I gave you a hell of a deal last time, so you cannot say I didn't. You
On
owe me,
the-
you could give me $100. I let you cook nasty, bro. You know, because I do it because I love you, bro. Come on.
I love you
Show
too.
me some love. Show me some love.
Are you going to Pasadena too next week?
I can't. I gotta go to Dallas.
Oh, okay. Where's the next Dallas card show?
Next week. Same week as Pasadena.
Oh, really? So you're going to that?
This is my home. I gotta go home.
Bro, $9.99 and then $8.96. You want $9.50?
You
Come
gonna
on,
haggle
bro.
me for what? $100 when I gave you like 13?
Have you sold anything?
I sold a lot. What do you mean? I don't have anything in my case. This is nothing. This is all my PC shit at this point.
Free or 300?
No. What? The flip would be 600 or free.
That's wild.
That's how you flip.
Bro, come on.
Come on, you gonna argue?
850.
I can't. I told you 950 is my best.
Why are you even selling it?
I don't want to. You're trying to take it. You're trying to steal it from me, basically. I paid $9.50 for it. I'm giving it to you what I paid for.
How about the Skyridge Gengar?
You're not gonna
Is that
want
from Leo?
No. Yeah,
That's from Leo that night we were in
I
that
had
room?
2 of them though. I sold my other one 6.2 with a swirl.
You sold your swirl?
Yeah, I sold my swirl. I asked Instagram what would they rather have, a swirl or a new cert. This is what they chose.
Well, was that a
chose
two?
swirl,
Was
but
it
I
a two
sold
cert?
Yeah, it was a 2 cert.
I'll pay you.
I'll tell you what my number is right
1K
now.
for these 2.
What?
Yeah, come on, bro.
Hell no.
Trying to print here.
Hell no.
Trying to play games or what?
That's the best I could do. 1180.
That's crazy.
Best I could
I'll flip you 1K or 1.1.
do. That's both under my numbers. That's a losing game for me. I can do 11 or 13.
That's crazy.
That's not crazy. Giving you Mario
My
and
best.
Luigi ponchos for 77 is crazy. 75
Hey.
even.
Hey. The
So
past.
that's crazy.
The past is the past.
It doesn't matter, bro.
We're in the present now, brother.
But the past also makes you who you are today and the future. So
Come on now. 1070.
no, I gotta be at 11.
I'll flip you 1050, 1150. That's fair.
What did I say earlier? 11
I don't
or
even know
13 is the
what
same
you were
thing.
just saying some shit.
11 or 13.
You're saying stuff that doesn't make
11 or
sense.
11 or 1250.
No, I can't go that high.
What?
I can't go that high, bro. I'm broke.
Bro, I'm losing money if
Look at her shoes, bro. I'm broke.
I know, but you spoil it for a reason. So come on, let's go. 950 is the lowest here I can take. This, I mean, I'm in it for 220. So give me whatever above that. I don't care.
Okay, final deal. 11, 12.
What?
1100 or 1200? Last. Or I just gotta walk and just have some fun.
11 or 12?
Yeah.
For both?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna take my guards though.
Yeah, you keep the guards.
Uh,
You throw, I throw?
11 or 12 is fine, bro. Whatever. I don't give a fuck. Just print.
This is a bad move on my end.
It's a bad move on my end. It's not a bad move. You don't make bad moves. This guy's crazy.
If I get it for 11, it's a decent deal. If I get it for 12, I'm fucked.
Then what? You're not getting fucked. It's $100. You made easily $100 last time, dude. You'll be all right.
You want to throw?
Throw it.
Right here?
Over there.
Over there?
On the floor.
All right.
You ready?
We're doing a Gengar coin flip, Gengar Prime 10 and a Gengar VMAX.
Ready? Heads.
11 or 12. You throw, I call. Right here. Tails, tails. I'm 1 and 4. I'm about to make it 2 and 4 for Kobe. Tails, 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 tails. Oh boy, here we go.
Spinner right there.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Tails, tails for Kobe. Tails for Kobe. Tails for Kobe. Tails for Kobe. Tails for Kobe, baby. Goated, boss.
I'm
He's
always
got
looking young,
cooked. I'm 2 and 4 now, baby. That's what you call printing. Cards I like. This one. I don't want too much. This, what is that, like 250?
270.
270? What do you have this at, like 180? What is this? I don't know.
I don't remember.
I think that's
That's it, right?
basically it. What do you have this at?
I have an offer, standing offer at 8.
8?
Last sold 9.
This one?
2.
2?
Yeah. The first tag goes for the higher non-limit in this case.
I'll take a look at this too. But I think that's just these 5 for now. This is all your slabs, right? You ain't hiding anything from me?
No.
I know you get a little 590, 590, 510. This one you said market's 270, right?
Yeah.
This is like around 200, I think. Percent, what do you want? Are you okay percent? 185, sure. More important than anything is percent on these. I mean, it's not that many cards anyways. Okay, I'll tell you what my offer would be if you want to flip 50 bucks or 100 bucks, whatever, on these 4. Market was what, 270 on this?
That's what the mark was at. The one that you bought from Ace was my duplicate.
Around 13 market. 1050, 1150?
11.25 just hold. I don't
What?
want coin flip. 11.25. Hold.
11.25, no coin flip? $11? You don't want to flip 10.50, 11.50?
I'm not in a flipping mood today.
You think you're gonna lose, huh?
I lost $2 grand at the casino like Wednesday, so I'd rather not. Otherwise, I would have pushed for 12 and
Okay, how about 11, 11.25? Mew, Moon, Gengar, and Raichu. 11 or 11.25. $25 flip. Baby flip for high roller hits. Tails. Tails.
please.
It's head. Wait, no, that's tails. That is tails.
Is that tails?
Yeah.
Golden pulls.
Golden Bulls. 1100. I was gonna pay you 1100 anyways.
I appreciate you, buddy.
Appreciate it. Let's do. You say you take a PayPal, right?
Yep.
I would say market's around 160. I put 160 on that. This I put 280. This I think 90's fair. This one is
Probably like
180, I think. I don't know. Something
I was
like.
gonna say like 180, 190, 185.
Yeah, sure. 185 market. You want to flip 950 or 1,000?
950 or 1,000.
Fair. All right. Let me find my coin. I have one. Somewhere. I have a quarter.
All right.
You want to throw it or you want me to throw it?
Let's see here.
It's not weighted.
All right.
I swear it's not weighted.
No, that's cool. You want to know what's funny?
Yeah.
I have the worst luck ever, and I know you always do coin flips.
Dude, I'm 3 and 4 today. I was 0 and 4, and now I'm on a 3 and 0 streak.
All right, I've done 5 flips this weekend. How many have I won?
0.
0.
You're gonna break it with me.
So my record right now, I've done probably about like 30, 35 flips
This weekend?
total.
Oh,
It's
okay.
like more recent, the past few months. I think I've won probably about like 10 to 12. So I'm about like a
Sounds
third.
about right.
That's crazy, man. All right.
I'm with Rich, Pokey Rich. Got a Meloetta, a Charizard, an Altar Charizard, a Flareon, a Pokecune Flareon, and a Tag Team Celebi. Market's around 11. We're gonna flip 950 or 1K. You throw it?
Yep.
I'll call it. Flip it good. I'm calling tails. Tails, 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 tails. Hey, look at that.
Hey, first one of the
You
day.
just
Let's
broke
go.
your streak for the weekend, bro.
That's good.
1K, I'm paying you, brother. I appreciate you.
Let's go to polls right there.